Hi folks, so this video will explain the process for the new payroll process. We are going to use Google Docs to help with this as well as Aspen, so I'm going to explain both of those separately. So log into shared drives, locate the ESSER3 putting the pieces together drive. Within that is the leadership team documents, budget information folder, and then finally a payment information folder. You can, link to this, bookmark this drive if you'd like. We're going to be using the document in September 15th, 2022 payroll. So you're going to open up that document. When you open it, you'll notice that there are a bunch of different worksheets within the sheet. And so the first sheet has the activities for the pay period. This is where you're going to add each of the different section titles from Aspen. There is also a business department payment sheet. This will pull information regarding the payment calculation sheet. This sheet pulls information from the PD activity Aspen exports. So this is where you'll actually be able to import the rosters from each of the different courses in Aspen. Once you import them into this sheet, they get calculated in this sheet. The sheet will look at the actual UCOA bucket account and then given an account. It will also create a rate for that particular person based on this bucket account, and then it will create a total as well. Once it does all of that, it creates this business department payment sheet. This is the sheet that the business department will utilize for the actual payment of the PD activity or the paid program.